of some price action now from last night's open, and you know, we can see here this indicator which just shows me the session ending midnight. You know, loading up long positions here. We'll just go over this real quick. You can see these executions now on the chart using the trade panel. So he's looking for an entry down here. Actually got stopped out, moved it into profit a little bit too early there and got stopped out by one of these wicks, and moved up into profit. No worries, moved back down and then moved up. So as you can see, after the impulse move up, loading up long positions here, moved up, took some profits out, entered those profits back in, moving back up, pretty much sold out there. And so what I just want to talk about is just the liquidity grab again on the 1 minute chart, because it's just crazy. You know, here, okay, so last night, session close, session open, moves down, gathers liquidity. When I mean gathers liquidity, how this happened is this particular move. Okay, we was here. We come up, scoop this liquidity from this small area there, push down. This wick here, you can see, push down, and you can see that's where I entered. Okay, entered there, looked at the next level down, which was just here and then just here, and you can see he's forced down, scoop this liquidity and come straight back up into profit. I actually took partial profits there, comes up some more partial profits, and then started to build a sell position up here. And bearing in mind, this is a 1 minute chart, so by the time the session's opened here and it's here, it's been 1 hour, so it already took numerous trades. And then it comes up to this point, as you can see, liquidity taken there, moving down. So liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep. Okay, so let's follow price here. So liquidity sweep there all the time. So we'll just box this this low off here. I like to do the lows with the wicks. Okay, I'm looking for a special wick. You know, this wick before it turns back up. So this is a move down, this candle, but it's blocked off. There's no wick, so I'm just going to use this wick, or even just this wick. Big wick down here. That's likely stop losses from this area here. Look what we was just looking at. So we've got this area. Push, bam, took all the stop losses out all the way to this particular point, and that point there is like my point of interest. We scoop down, take that bit of liquidity, and then move up. So here as well, Overwatch touch, come back down. I wouldn't say that's a divergence, but look how high that is compared to this. This is nearly equal lows. Big move up. Okay, so this is a good one. Move all the way up here. Stop. Right there. Come down. Take liquidity. Take liquidity. Go. 1, 2. Liquidity taken there. Liquidity taken there. And then carrying on. So we're coming down. Impulse. Stop. So after the stop losses and etc. from this trade. Take the liquidity, move in the opposite direction, peek out, take liquidity, close underneath, another close there, trade. Okay, and then we've moved down to here, so liquidity taken. So if we just look at that high there, so we're peaking, we breached the high there, and we're right on that line. Take a retracement, push up, take the liquidity, and hovering, looking like we're going to break, and then bam, break down. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so this is a fantastic one. We've got impulse, bam, stops there, comes up, does its thing, continues all the way down, and then we take that liquidity there. I mean, look at that, it's so clean. So we've got the touch, retracement, move down, take the liquidity, bullish engulfing, divergence, Overwatch touch plus divergence, and then we move up. That trade there, I mean, I haven't been entering or recording our multiples, but you know, big wide stop loss here, and the R multiple all the way up to the top, you're looking at 6R. Okay, so we're there. Now that trade, where do we get out? So we've got this peak here, could have took partial profit there, but he carried on. Here, took partial profit there, but then we had another impulse leg. Now, if we just adjust that peak for the liquidity, bang. Okay, we also have, so as this is coming from this divergence on the Overwatch, where the Overwatch is working its way up and it peaks out here. Okay, drawing that line on, like I said. Okay, so either way, profits are being taken here, 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 here. We also got divergences on the Overwatch, so you can see that divergence. I'm just going to pop it there for now. But as this is printing, these divergences are saying, you might want to get out. But just from my experience, the divergences can print like this and then have that final push up, like I said. And that's what's happened. Or you could carry on and top out, but this is quite hot. It's quite hot here. So we have come down, pushed up, formed a divergence like this, exactly like it's done down below, and then took the liquidity. So you got that liquidity grab there. You've got the divergence, bang on entry, and you've even got this top here, which even if where are we going to enter here? We're probably going to enter somewhere on this candle. So high stop loss above these highs here, the previous liquidity grab, and I mean what we got here. Tell me we got another 6R trade. It's going to be close. So we've got this low here. No Overwatch touch though. Move up, come back down, take the liquidity numerous times. Look at that. Jesus, so many wicks there. We do have a move up. If any entries were taken there, could cover it with a stop loss, but maybe a bit too late. Again, here, another liquidity, so that's the low. We'll just adjust that to the low there. Liquidity taken again, move up. So even if you was entering here, still be in, move up, moved into profit with a stop loss, and then you're out. So previous low. Oh shit, we're on, look. We're on, look, bam. Getting a bit late here. Okay, so what am I looking at? So we've got this peak here, and then we've had this move down, stop right there. Now, from that point, we've come up, took the liquidity, there, there, there. So I'm not too sure whether the liquidity was enough to move higher or it's just come down for a fib retracement. And when we're looking at this fib here, somewhere around this 88.6 straight into the target zone. So just putting this aside, bam, straight into the target zone. Okay, so that's the low. Box that off. Then we've got liquidity taken both spots. So that level, liquidity taken moved up, come back down, liquidity taken again, bam. So they were the entries there. This is just a bit late. This is just another retracement back down into that area before move up.